Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use checklists, bullet lists, and number lists on Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. So, let's get started. Please make sure that the Google Chrome you are using on your computer is completely up to date so that we will not encounter any errors along the way. Now we can begin. Let's say for instance, I would like to do a checklist. For example, things that my subscribers should do. Now, I would like to create a checklist for the things that you guys, my subscribers, should do. Click on this button right here on the upper portion of the panel. As you can see, we have a checklist option right here, and we got a menu as well. Here, it will cross out the ones that have been checked, or you can also check this one. In my case, I would like to do this one. Just click on it once, and as you can see, it creates a tick box right here. Let's say for example, like. Now, to create another checklist, just hit enter on your keyboard once. As you can see, it creates a second tick box. Again, if you want to create another checklist, just click enter on your keyboard once. And as you can see, we have created a checklist right here. Now, what if I would like to create another text without this checklist right here? I will just hit the enter twice on my keyboard. Sorry, I will hit the enter only once on my keyboard. And then hit the backspace twice. 1, 2. Now, we are back to the default format of our text. Now, as you can see, if I click the checkbox right here, it will cross out this item. You can undo that by clicking the tick box once again. Now, let us move on to the bulleted lists. I will create a bulleted list similar to this one. This time, I would like this one or these items to be a bullet list. How do we do that? Navigate to the top portion of your screen once again and find this option, which is the bulleted list menu. You can also drop it down by clicking this arrow, and as you can see, we have different icons to choose from. For me, I would like to keep it simple and just choose this one. I will again do the same thing that I did before. To create another bullet, just hit enter on your keyboard. And let's do it once more. And as simple as that, we have created a bulleted list on our document. Now, to go back to the default format, just do what we have done earlier. Hit enter once and backspace twice. 1, 2. Now, let us move forward to the numbered list. It is very similar to what we have done earlier. Now, I will create a numbered list for this text also and these items, but this time, let us use a numbered list. How do we do that? Navigate to the top portion of your panel for one last time, and then find this option, numbered list. You can click on this once, or you can also drop it down using this arrow, which will give you more options. We got Roman numerals, numerical values, letters, and many more. In my case, I would like to keep it on the default one, which why I would click this only once. And as you can see, it gives us a number 1 button. This is the start of our numbered list. Now, I would type the similar items I have typed earlier, like, comment, and share. As you can see, as simple as that, we have now created a numbered list. Again, if you want to go back to the default format of our text, just hit enter on your keyboard once and backspace twice. As you can see, we have now went back to the default format of our text. If you learned something in this video, please consider dropping a like and hitting the subscribe button. If you are looking for other Google Docs tutorial, please make sure to check our playlist dedicated for that. I'll see you guys next time and thank you for watching.